Garcia. I was actually born in California, but I was raised in North Carolina, and I've been living here since I was 4 years old with my parents. We decided to migrate to North Carolina since the economic job boom of the 80s and the 90s, and that's where I've been raised. Well, I've always had an interest in criminal justice and political science. So with political science, I've always loved politics and the way that world economics happen. And so when I got my political science degree, it was a concentration in Western European political systems. And during the entire political climate that has been happening since, I want to say 2006, I decided this is what I wanted to study. And with criminal justice, it was an addition to that, because with criminal justice, I knew they would eventually be able to leapfrog me into the legal field. From the very, very beginning in my community college days, I had thought about law school, and in the back of my head, it was just a lingering thought. But throughout every single experience that I had with every attorney that came from Central, they exerted a form of excellence, professionalism, and advocacy. And I wanted to be a part of that, and not taking anything away from other schools. But what I can say that from Central is what you get from Central, a practical working knowledge. And that's what I wanted. Upon graduation, my career goals are first and foremost to advocate for underrepresented communities and underprivileged communities, because us as attorneys have a duty to advocate for those communities and those individuals who can't fully represent themselves, and that's why we have something called indigent services. But as far as career goals in terms of longevity, I endeavor to be the first governor of North Carolina of Latino descent. And if that doesn't work, well then definitely going for a North Carolina Supreme Court Justice similar to Mike Morgan, who's actually a graduate of the law school as well. As I stated earlier, the people that I met throughout my lifetime that were attorneys that came from Central showed amazing practical skills, and their performance in the courtroom just provided excellence, and they exerted this sense of professionalism, yet they were humble. And that's why I chose Central, because among the many things, among the feeling of family, among the feeling of camaraderie and kinship that you get from Central, Central has the tendency to show you practical skills to make you ready, to prepare you to be ready to be a practical doctor, to be a practical biologist or attorney if you choose this career path. And that's why I chose Central. Central School of Law has a saying that we don't only prepare you for the field of law, we prepare you to make sure that you're practice ready after you pass the bar on the first time. And I definitely agree with that. And I've seen it, and I exert it. My name is Jay Garcia. I am the Eagle Promise. I am a proven leader.